Hi, it's Don, KC9ZMY. Thought I would do a short little video to try to explain some of the issues that I was having while setting up my TYT MD380 for the new Workbench talk group. And I've been having such a big trouble, I thought maybe if I showed some people, then maybe they could point out the error of my ways and we could share the information and get this working together. So what I thought I'd do is start by looking at the configuration of the radio, move on to the configuration of my Zumspot using Pi-Star, and then show what happens when I put it all together. And so, first thing that I did was configure some contacts. Now, I have seen in a number of cases that you want to use talk group 9 and then use a contact call. But then other people have indicated that possibly you just want to put in the talk group 31075 directly and connect to it. I can't figure out which way to go. So in this demonstration, I will use both. So I have them both here, talk group 9, talk group 3175. I then go down and I create my channels. I got the Zumspot, my frequencies. I put in the contact name, which in this case is the talk group 9. Yes, it says DV Mini. Now, repeater slot 2. It seems like repeater slot 2 is the one to use because that is the one that's used for local. Again, there seems to be some hearsay, some misunderstanding because I've seen it done both ways, but it seems like it should be repeater slot 2. So this is my talk group 9. And then I set up exactly the same thing for the Workbench talk group. There it is. Repeater slot 2, color code 1, my frequencies, everything is the same. And then I go in and I create a zone for my Zumspot that contains my 2 channels. That gets pushed out to the radio. That all seems to be good. At the other end of the equation, I have my Pi-Star configuration. I've enabled DMR mode. DMR, I have DMR gateway. Number of videos I've seen said set it to that. Master, pick one. So I picked one. I'm not sure. DMR plus, who knows? XLX master. Again, I've seen a number of people say I use this because it works, so I picked one. It's in there. XLX enabled, color code 1. Again, all kinds of stuff that I'm not quite sure about. But it's there. Various other videos that seem to show that it works. So, if we go to our dashboard now, sorry, it's a Pi 0. It's a little slow. And we come over to our radio. Whoops, there we go. If I just use my talk group 9 and hit the button, it shows up as there, but nothing seems to happen. Now what I can do, if I go to menu, contacts, manual dial, and put in my 31075 and hit the, whoops, that's not right, 31075 and hit the transmit, you see it target 31075, but nothing seems to happen, even though it doesn't say connected, it doesn't do anything. So if I back up, come back, and go to, this will be my Workbench contact, and if I hit, do we see it switch? No, we don't. Darn it. There it goes. Now it's switched. So now let's try talking. KC9ZMY testing. KC9ZMY testing. So I'm just not sure which way to go. So there's my short little video. If I get it going, I'll let you know. Maybe people will enlighten me. They'll say, it's obvious, you made this mistake. I would really appreciate any help. It's KC9ZMY saying 73 tall.